Today, we're going to see the result. With the SMART FUE technique, it's already 1.5 years, and this is 38 years old Chinese man. It's already 1.5 years. We are looking back, all the gloves. The slits that we make here in the hairline was sagittal slits, the first 2 rows. Behind the original slit here is perpendicular or lateral slit. All the grafts are placed correctly, density angle. This is the frontotemporal angle. At one time this place was empty. Today we already fill up and it looks homogeneous with the parietal area and the back area. So the result looks very natural now.
Thank you, GLOJAS.